Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Muhammad Faisal. Now I would like to share with you guys about fundamental analysis. Fundamental analysis is a method of determining securities' real or fair market value. Fundamental analysis is important, and most of the time it is used by investors to determine whether the security is undervalued or overvalued. The investor can compare the securities market value with the securities market price to know whether the security is undervalued or overvalued. If the market value of the security is higher than the market price of the security, it shows that the security is undervalued. Thus, it is highly recommended for the investors to buy the security. Now, let's take a look at the analysis under fundamental analysis. There are three analysis under fundamental analysis, which are company analysis, industry analysis, and also economy analysis. Company analysis used to evaluate, to measure the company's performance over time. This analysis usually used by comparing the current performance of the company with the previous performance of the company, and from this, investors can know whether the company's performance is increasing from year to year or vice versa. Next, let's take a look at the industry analysis. Industry analysis usually used to determine the company's position relative to other companies in the same industry. To make it easier to understand, this industry analysis used to compare a particular company with their competitors or their peers company. For example, comparing FNN company with Spritzer company, to know which company have a better position under their industry, which is consumer product and services industry. If a company have a better position in the industry that they involved in, it shows that the company have a better have more effective company's management. Thus, it is very recommended for investors to look after these companies for investment activities. Now, let's take a look at the last analysis, which is economy analysis. Economy analysis usually used to determine the economic performance of the country, and the economic performance of the country reflects and indirectly affects the stock's real value, real market value. And for this analysis, we will look at gross domestic product or GDP. An increase in GDP shows an increase in the economic performance of the country, and it also shows an increase in purchasing power. This reflects the performance of company in that particular country. If the GDP of the country is increasing, it shows that majority of the company in that particular country are performing well. That's all from me. Thank you for watching.